Have you ever wondered why companies often discourage consumers from repairing their own devices? This phenomenon, known as the right to repair debate, highlights a significant tension between corporate interests and consumer autonomy. Many companies argue that allowing users to repair their own devices could compromise safety, quality, and reliability. However, there are deeper motivations at play, which typically revolve around profit, control, and customer loyalty. One primary reason companies prefer you not to repair your devices is the financial aspect. When consumers repair their gadgets on their own or use third-party services, companies lose out on potential sales of replacement parts and the necessary services they provide. For example, smartphone manufacturers often charge high prices for repairs and parts, which can significantly increase their profit margins. By creating a system that encourages customers to return to them for repairs, companies can maintain a steady revenue stream, thereby protecting their bottom line. Another factor at play is the control over the product experience. By limiting repair options, companies can ensure that their devices will be used as intended and maintained to their specifications. This control also includes software locks that restrict unauthorized repairs. Companies argue that this is essential for maintaining the integrity and security of the device, but it also serves as a way to keep consumers tied to their brand. When consumers are unable to use third-party repairs, they remain dependent on the original manufacturer, which in turn fosters brand loyalty. Additionally, there's a growing concern about e-waste and environmental sustainability. With the fast pace of technology development, many devices quickly become obsolete, piling up in landfills. Companies often promote newer models while older ones are left behind, contributing to waste. By discouraging repairs, companies inadvertently support a culture of disposability. If more consumers could repair their devices independently, we could extend the life cycle of electronics and reduce the environmental impact, something that should matter to all of us. In conclusion, the reluctance of companies to embrace self-repair goes beyond simple business strategy. It encompasses financial motives, control over product usage, and broader implications for sustainability. As consumers, it is essential to advocate for the right to repair and support policies that encourage device longevity, ultimately fostering a more sustainable and equitable technological future. By understanding the reasons behind these corporate practices, we can make more informed decisions about our devices and champion a culture that values repair over replacement.